Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed on this show by the host, ICEs, do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests, yes, do not reflect those of the host and the channel.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the podcast. First and foremost, I'm your host, MJ. Don't go alone on the red couch. I have my boy.
My name is MQ. And you guys know this is the red card with MJ and also NQ. I'm not gonna go deep why MJ is not here today, but he's gonna say it on the following episode. He's gonna say it himself. But again, I'm having it. I'm with at 23 years old. I don't know if he's still 23. According to my
24.
24 they say. Yeah. Oh wow, you've grown. I'm with the biggest Gom star. Should I say South Africa or in Durban?
South Africa.
South Africa. D. General Smaman, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm very good, thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for respecting me.
I'm welcome.
Let me just say it in front of the camera. Thank you for actually waiting for the production. If you get late, then I'm so sorry. But now we're here.
Yeah, we're here.
Let's just get all the news that we want to know about you. Let's just get, the names and shaming. Who do you want to talk? Who are to talk about in the industry who've been not,
Oh, well.
Yeah, but I'm joking. When it's coming to the industry, how did it come about? Who's Ujendra Samani? Let me start there.
Okay. Let me introduce myself. My real name is Uluanele Ngoagasimamane. So I'm known as Generous Mamane. I am a drum producer and a DJ. And I'm also a music composer. I compose a lot of music. And I've been in the industry for quite a while. I've been in the industry since 2018.
2018.
Yeah.
2018.
2025. Yeah.
2023, 2024. Shit.
Yeah.
When did you blow out?
I blew out before COVID days. So that's where I started doing my sessions with the big artists, because during COVID there were no performances like performers. So they were like, you know what, since we are indoors, let's work on something. And that's where I got the opportunity to work with the big artists, because the first people who I bumped to is Distraction Boys. So that's where I started to blow up, because now I recognize, hey, who's this young kid? Yeah, who's this young kid? So as much as you're working with the big guys, you allow it all recognition, and then that's where you push. That is why I invited you to the podcast. And then others, and then the big artists, but it's okay. Since Siguza Uspana and Distraction Boys, let's call you the sides. Wow. And then it did the same. Yeah. Before we get into you booming arts, where's home? How was your upbringing? Take us in the journey, because looking at you, your appearance, you're giving me vibes. You grew up in right and then Putumalo. Yeah, that's true. How was your upbringing? In a corner, Nkulela, on a beach. Oh, suburbs. So Nkulela on a beach. In a corner, it wasn't easy for me, because I was in an environment where my parents were like strict. Yeah, you know, they were like, even though I told my parents like, but nakhona it wasn't that easy, because I live in a white area where they don't want umsindo. So it was just me with my headphones, and nakhona I was not trusting my sound that much, and like, but just to find out to see the guys like ama-artists la amakhulu ibona abayithandayo le sound lengiyenzile through my headphones yabo.
Yeah.
So kungangijabulisa ukuthi ngiwazile nami ukuthola nje ithuba ukuthi ngenze music, even though my parents didn't want that.
How they are now, seeing that you're one of the biggest people in South Africa.
Mayingena nje imali.
Like they don't care good thing. You go, like, obviously I know for a fact in Japan, I'm glad you have gigs. You're gonna be on the road for the entire night.
Yeah.
How is that on their part? Do they say, do you think you should stop this or what?
Nah, because about manje sinqedile esikoleni, so they like you can continue. Oh, ngisafunda, right? I'm doing my final year with civil. I'm doing the civil engineering.
Wow, you're intelligent on top of that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngisasesikoleni namanje, but nakhona ngisakwi music industry. So
wow, this is interesting.
Yeah.
So you're doing chemical or civil?
No, civil. Yeah.
So you're doing a civil engineering at the same time you're in the industry?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because nakhona remember music mhlambe into engaphela noma inini. So
exactly.
you need to
but it's something that you like being in the office, working, or this is your life?
Yeah, it's my life, but I can do two things at the same time.
So if you uqeda isikole in March, are you going to look for a job on the civil side? Do you want to pursue it, or it's something that you're saying if something happens in the industry,
yeah,
something to fall back on?
Yeah, it's something like that. So I'll continue with my music, but just in case we'll see, even if things go south, I have something engayithola from esikoleni yabo.
Yeah.
So
no, it makes sense. I think that's very intelligent of you.
So yeah, that's my goal.
Okay. Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I do have my siblings. I got 2 older brothers, and I'm the last born.
How's the relationship?
It's good. It's yeah,
you seem like a person who likes their space. You
like, yeah, I'm so introvert well. Yeah. Like ngumuntu lo who doesn't like to be around people, because I'm more focused when I'm alone. Because when you surround like there's like a lot of people around me, I hardly work and you focus again.
Yeah.
So it's similar to like most in studio sessions, and like there's like 7 producers and others, and I'm a vocalist of 6, and then they expect me to create a file or make a project because I just need to be alone, and then that's where I can do my job.
That's fantastic. Now let's go back to you getting, booming art. How did it happen? Who did you meet first? What song did you guys do? How did it happen? How did it trend? Because I remember, I think it was in 2020, if not mistaken.
Yeah, 2020
or 2019. That's when the first time I heard about this journal as my man.
Yeah, that's true.
You were Mlumeni Abanduj most of the time. Journalism, there's a guy called, and I'm like, who is this guy? Up until Angezwa Ingoma Yako, which one? That was a hit that time. I don't remember which one. But that when I started knowing you. So is that the time where you boomed art in the industry?
Yeah, you're correct. 2018, that's where they started to recognize me. 2019, that's where I started booming. Because most of the artists were like...
Who are the artists?
Oh, the first artist, umuntu owangisiza ngokudlala ingoma zami, it was DJ Laserboy. There's this guy called DJ Laserboy. He used to be DJ West Inc. Like DJ la Babes, DJ la Mampinch, and the rest nje abangaphansi West Inc. So there's this place where Mampinch afika acule ingoma zakhe, and then ila DJ sengawazi ukudlala khona noma iziphi ingoma abo, so they can call out some backup dancers, and then they freestyle.
Yeah.
So wayidlala ke ngoma yami uLiza Boy, and then that's where uMampenja started to recognize who's this kid behind this song. I like this song.
Yeah.
It's like he told the DJ, would say, DJ, ngifuna ukuthi njalo ngizoperform udlala le ngoma le, because ngiyibona ukuthi
It's coming out. It's gonna be the
it's
biggest
hyping up the
song.
crowd. It's hyping
Yeah.
up the dancers. It's also hyping me up with Mike. It's okay. Since then, ngathola ile the following producer who approached me is UQ DJ with Distraction Boys. So he was the one who came through. Where's the same song? Yes, the same song is like, hey, I like this track. I need this track on my EP. And then he took the song where kona studio la babe producer kona Distraction Boys and the whole team producer kona. So he took the song, and then it was during COVID days. While ethatha leyo ngoma wayithatha wayifaka studio, and they did like live edlala, and I checked nami table if kanjani ukukhula ngoma le, because I sent it to DJ Lizaboy, and then UQ wang approach it, hey, there's this song that I got from Lizaboy into wara, hey Fethu, I need this song ngiyidinga ku my upcoming EP. I mean, I thought izophuma under Distraction Boys, but so at that time, UQ no Gold, they were doing solo projects. So I was like, okay, cool, it's fine, bro. I'm up for it, because my dream is to work with Distraction Boys. Well, it did happen.
It did happen.
So yeah, I went to UQ, and then he took it to a studio, and ever since then, abantu bebeyifuna leyo ngoma leyo, because Q is playing it, and it went viral. That's where I started to pop up. Jonas Moment.
Because now even Google confirms you're a celebrity. Like, we find you everywhere. Do you think Indlela or when you were still, growing up as an artist, did you think you would boom out that way, or you thought you're gonna have it hard? Because I know for a fact that the college Jonas Moment also looks or Kulai,
Yeah.
Maybe it's gonna have it in a different way, I feel like when you were fortunate enough, it's just communication. Then they, others have to go knock. Others have to go knock.
Yeah, this is
all of that. So what would you say to someone Osekaya who want to grow up and be in the same industry as you are?
Yeah, what I did is I sent ingoma to go DJ, like. DJ they don't have songs to play, so they rely on producers. So the more they play your music, the more recognition you get, because you would never know. Kun DJ if angadlala ingoma ungamazi, like if adlala ingoma to maphorisa out there,
yeah,
adlala ingoma, and then maphorisa is like, wow, isho ba le ngoma le. And then that's where usutoli connection, and then you get to what's this
recognition?
Yeah, from artist amakhulu, because you sense ingoma zakho. The more DJ bedlala ingoma zakho, the more lama artist amakhulu bazoyicela mase bayayidlala, since it's a song that is trending. Go DJ. So for me now, what helped is. Group chats, there are group chats nje abantu bayadawunload ingoma, kunama group chats nje eyingoma, so people just share the songs there, bafaka ama-link nama mixtape for people to download, bapusha kanjalo, nami ngangipusha kanjalo.
That's worked out for you,
because I couldn't go straight kanje, angikwazi ukukhuluma like ngifuna uqamba lamanga. I'm afraid to talk to an artist.
Even now?
Yeah, I prefer them come to me.
Dude, I don't
so
think he's scared.
I'm telling you the facts. Ibona manje basic me.
Plus, obviously we ghost.
Yeah, bona yeah.
Or when we ask us what we ghost.
Yeah.
So that is why you expect them to come.
Benza bona basic me.
Okay, that's a good one.
Because if you chase them, they won't have time for you.
Yeah, rather them coming to
Yeah. That's what I prefer.
What? Yes, what is something that I saw when someone search you on Google, you come in the research of what I'm showing you see. Let me see. Let I'm showing you see Q DJ, Beast RSA, Susan Mdlalo. Like you come, people also search for. You understand?
Yeah.
Which shows what you're really big. Like you are very. Before we go any further, guys, I forgot to say you're an award-winning artist. How was the experience for you? Did you think you're gonna win the award? Was it true, ne? You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, it's 4. I have 4 awards. 2, I've won 2 away Metro, and I won 2
What?
Metro.
So
FM.
you are a Metro FM winner.
Yeah, award winner for best poem and best music video for Siggy Lead.
What the F?
I'm telling you. And for and I've also won summer awards. And I'm also a summer nominee for my EPM last year, The Young Prince of Qom. But sadly, I didn't win it. Kodwa nakhona ngiwinile under We Don't Play the Same Qom a QDJ because I'm also part of the EP.
Wow.
Niya DJ Leg. Last year is 2014. 2013, Leg, winner. Now I'm under Leg. So it's 4. Multi-award winner.
Wow. You've worked.
Hey.
A 24-year-old who's a 4 multi. Wow.
They
You should be proud of
Tried.
yourself, ne? You've literally worked.
so
Tell me
much.
about your relationship with Umampintsha. May his soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
I saw when he passed away, you shared a post, which he was also featured in your EP or something like that. So you guys have worked together.
Yeah.
How did it affect you, him passing away? Did you have any hopes with you still going to work together going forward? Did you guys have a good relationship? All of that.
Yeah, being in Tana, I was like his his son we industry. It was like that the guy who always approached me and say, boy, fine. Oh boy, now my piece of it, now my piece. No, something like this. Msandele yabo because uyazi hluthi from the start wayethembele kumina kakhulu yabo uthi ayinkinga lentwana le inkinga so angiphatha kabuhlungu of him eshiya yabo eshiya ku industry because sonke sasidependele kuyena and for us as producers most of his ad-libs nama-sounds akhe iwona phampa kakhulu kwiqom so yasithunwa kakhulu nje sonke as producers sonke as DJ because he's a guy who used to hype us up, you know, when we perform because there was this day where angazi benza one man show emlazi. It was like intwana yami ngiyazi ukuthi singiperformile kodwa musudlala ungibizi ngizongena stage now. So wow, so cool. It's so cool, this guy.
This is such an emotional part of the interview, I guess. What would you like to say? Let's just say, I know it's been some time he passed away, but what words can you send to Babes? It just as what Jonas Mamane is there for me, you know, or what can you say? Let's just say she's gonna watch the episode, or because she's gonna be with us in the few weeks coming. So what would you say to her? Like, what message could you send to Babes, and just in memory of Umampintsha?
I mean, what I could say, because Nakona Babes is like a sister to me, you know. I'm Hlonipa, because Mdala, Ekemini, it's one of the artists nami ngangifisa say one day ngiyosebenza naye, yabo. So nami ngiyasho ukuthi okay, what I wish uthi siqhubeke sisebenze naye, because we did some few tracks before under EP, EP yamampintsha, we did the same thing. So now ngiyafisa ukuthi okay siqhubeke nawo umsebenzi. We are here for aboma uthi udinga producer ngikhona nami. I'm always available for free. I don't have to charge because abantu abanjengo babes abantu awumele basizo ithini as a producer. Because yeah, ama vocalists they need or produce. Cool. Ithina siphethe nje isibhakubhaku.
But sanitholakali nje zanifuna ingane. Yes guys, they're so talented kids in the town. When are you guys planning to actually come in the town and actually, you know, maybe host an audition? What? Because guys, one thing that I've seen, they're so talented kids in the industry, but now they do not know how to go about, how to, you know. What's a toad? You live like I'm not sure if I should disclose that, but you live a toad. Yeah. You know, there's Makota next to you. There's Love next to you. There's, I'm sure there's one big artist that can boom in 2025. That can be produced by you. You know, all of that can be influenced by you, which is Jonas. I've seen you've worked with dancers Agamakota, which is so nice. So under revelation, which is I was so happy to see you actually featuring him in your music video of Who I Am. Yeah, and that's so awesome for you. Do you have any plans this year in actually gathering new artists, new kids? That are talented? What do you...
Yeah, I'm busy scouting because I've once mentioned in we radio station would say any type of upcoming artist or dancers tag me with TikTok because TikTok is a platform where they can push sponsor because it's easily to find umuntu otekiwe.
So I think this is going to be awesome. Allow me, Mongezi. I'm asking you this in front of in the episode. How about Red Couch collaborate with Jonas Mamani and we do audition for you to get new kids?
Wow, yeah.
I can organize that. Get us a space and then we can just host audition just to give back. For me, so if I'm hosting audition, they're going to be taken by you. We don't have to benefit anything as a Red Couch. We just giving back to Ramakota and for you to actually get new talent. How's that?
I don't mind. Nakona to find a vocalist and or producer, it will be a nice platform for them to actually work with me, you know, because I'm a chilled guy. I'm not chilling.
I saw go to you I saw speaking of your paramis, I since I do this thing of inboxing, I'm an artist and everything, telling them, can you please come to our interview, all of that. There's one big influencer. She's an influencer. She's not even that famous, but she's an influencer. I asked her, can you please come through to an interview? And she's like, where did you take my number?
How?
I'm like, oh, I took it from your friend. She said you would like an interview. No, I'm not interested. I'm like, oh, okay. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I said, yeah, please delete my number. And I was like, huh? But yeah, I'm saying those are the things when you speak to I'm an artist and everything. Now let's go to the funny parts of your life. You did a one-man show.
Yeah.
In Mkombe Ground.
Yeah, Sports Ground.
Sport Ground. That was epic.
Yeah. So it's my first outdoor events because I usually do some indoor events. So I was just like, I want to do something around my area, you know. Since Goa Setoti, let me approach a place where it's nearby Etoti. Let me do something for this side, with South Coast.
It's not gonna be a yearly thing.
Nakon, I might do it again this year.
But okay, let's go back to the breakdowns.
Okay.
Do you think it worked out for you?
Yeah, it did work out the last time.
Did you, money-wise, did you not limala kakhulu ephaketheni? Did you receive the profit back? How was it?
The first one, since it was the first one, it didn't have sponsors, so it was something coming from our pockets, and it did go well. So this time, November, this one will have sponsors this time, so it's gonna go big. And now we're trying so much to get more artists on it, bigger names. So it's gonna go well though.
I can't wait for that one. I was there in your first one. I enjoyed the experience. Everything was nice. Yeah, obviously when it's a first event, like
Yeah, it
an
was the
outdoor
first
one,
one, yeah.
there's gonna be mistakes there and there.
Yeah.
However, what you did as a 24-year-old, because guys, but that's one thing you need to know. There are big artists, bigger than have been big in the industry, but they haven't done a one-man show
Yeah.
like you did. So I think I believe you saw mistakes and then you're gonna learn from them and then you're gonna do better the following time. As a red culture, I would say we wish you all the best.
Thank you so
I
much.
believe you're going to be bringing us good music. You're going to be winning more awards this year because you're going to be receiving more money because I believe that's the mission and the vision of
that's
you as a
true.
brand. So what can people look out for you this year?
Yeah, this year I might be dropping my EP.
You might or you are going to be dropping it.
I am. I am, not might. I am. So yeah, I'm still working on it. I'm getting more artists. I'm trying to scout for more outside the province, in Klampingi, Josie, and get some piano artists, Bafage Komini, and feel of the hip hop, and Nala Abala Win. So I'm trying to mix all those vocalists into one project, because it was my plan. Uthi, my next project, ngifuna kube khona nje ama-artist ahlukahlukene, kungabe ama-artist wodwa ala eThekwini. Mhlampe let me explore more outside the province and intervene with the piano artists in Borne, which is what we can create together,
For the mere fact that you're saying scouting now, I think this is a question that I should ask. Are you signed to any other recording label?
No, I'm not signed, but I have my personal management called AFROTAINMENT. So they are the one who are protecting my brand. I'm independent.
You're independent.
Yeah, but
so as I was actually saying, let us do audition for Lovu, Gwamakuta and everything. Those kids, should you fall in love with one of the people who are going to come and audition?
Yeah.
Who are they going to be under, you or?
No, it depends. If about once it's in we create a brand, that's where now I can start my own recording label where I could sign I'm an artist. But for now on, I can work with the new kids. I won't try and create something with them, and see
if it works out though.
It works out, yeah.
Because at the end of the day, you can't just say we are going to be dropping music.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're still going to test to see are they ready for everything. Because I believe if what is coming in the industry, I think you also should be mentally ready. I think you should also be emotionally ready and also physically ready. So if that's one person, you're scouting that person and you're taking the person and you guys do music, I'm sure with our boogie, decide to okay, fine, this one is talented only. I think you should also, I believe you also look at the side to go, is this person mentally ready for fame? Is this person ready for everything that is coming to their way? Because if fame can actually make you or actually destroy you at the same time.
Yeah, it happens. It happens. Sometimes it happens, but Leandro, you need to.
I like the fact that you're saying Leandro.
If fame, it's hell. Trust me, it's hell. Yeah, kataza, but you need to have a mentality to understand. Would say how can you handle it as an artist?
And you're handling it so well. I've never seen you trending for the wrong reasons.
It's been a while in Saipambil.
Yeah, I've
because
never
I'm a
seen,
public figure.
Because I've seen they trend for sleeping with young girls. They trend for not doing right by the girls, from taking girls from the clubs, from the gigs, everything.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna mention names, but I've seen most of posts would say, when you raped me, how do you run away from that when as a person who's also in the entertainment industry and a cute looking guy like you, obviously girls throw themselves to you. How do you run away from all of that?
Well, what I could say is that nami into engibalekelayo ukuthi ekhaya they expect you to when abone uyaphuma uyosebenza, not to do anything funny, and knowing well ukuthi mina I don't drink, I don't take alcohol, I don't do drugs. ngakhuliswa kahle ekhaya. So ngisakulandela lokho, because if you start taking drugs, uyaphuza ngapha, that's where you start doing wrong decisions, you know. Then, and all of a sudden you are trained out. So mina, what I'm happy ukuthi mina angazi ngitrendele kwizinto ekanjalo, because nakhona I'm protecting igama lami nebrand yami nenhlonipho ekhaya ngisayibambile. So ngazalelwa nginjalo yabo. So I'm trying to avoid izinto ekanjalo.
Are you currently dating?
Nope, not anymore. I was, but
Are you looking?
hey, ngisashawa umoya wamanje. Sashawa umoya, hey. Sashawa umoya kabi, yo. Trust me on that one.
Okay, guys, he's not looking. I'm sorry. But he's not looking. I'm about to close. One word or 2 sentences or 3 sentences to like to say to your followers or people that like you so much.
Okay. Yo, one night.
I like your swag though. Before we even close, I like
thank you
how
so
you
much.
dress. I've seen you in multiple events, and then your fashion sense always take the cup for me. I've seen you in one of your gigs. Come to say you looked so good. Even now, I give you the swag. It's giving superstar vibes that you are, obviously.
Hey, nakhona phela people they always expect you ugqoke o Gucci, and then like since kuyigqomi. So hey, gqokisa kwebhinqa kanjani? No, guys. Now I'm trying to have
Create
my own
your
style.
own style.
Yeah.
Would you say, before you close, would you say you're making money for yourself and you're comfortable?
Yeah, I'm more comfortable because as much as I'm working, ngifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi yabo uma ukuthi ngiyasebenza kube khona into ezongena ephaketheni yabo.
Yeah, ne?
So the harder I work, the more money I get.
Let's hope you will reach 1 million.
Hey, I wish.
Is that hard?
Hey, angazi, it depends. What's nje ngenza nje lama shows amakhulu lawo. That's where I can reach 1 million. But manje nje kancane.
You're going there.
Yeah, I'm heading there.
But you are comfortable.
Yeah, I'm very comfortable.
What would you say to your followers? People who love you, people who follow you, people who stand with you any day. Make sure mama wenza ukuthi nje athi nje no guys, mama is not like this. Umuntu okazi, there are friends who knows you like I'm telling you. What would you say to them?
Well, I wanted to say laba abafuna ufika la ngikhona, they need to humble themselves.
Yeah.
If fame, I know as much as you once wathola ukuduma, you start changing, yabo. In order for people to love you and for you to stay relevant, now you have to humble yourself around your space, around your circle. Because once wayitshela, abantu bazophuma kuwena, and as much as when usudumile, and then even if your work goes south, ila uzobona khona ukuthi okay manje ayikho into ozoyenza abantu sebephumile kuwena since wena ubukade uyitshela. So for mina, since nami ngisakhona egamini, I'm very humble, angiyitshela. So into enami nga-advise nombani ofuna ukwenza the same thing afuna ukuyenza njengami, ukuthi bona bafuna ukuhlonipha.
Okay.
Respect anyone else who approaches you as much as you can. No matter how big, no matter how small you are, we're all equal.
Okay.
So, yeah.
I have a game for you.
Yep.
Before we close. Special pass.
Yeah.
Number 1, Luyanda Zulu. Luyanda Zwane.
Zwane. Pass.
Why? You need to say why pass.
Ngoba maz.
Oh, master.
Angimazi, unless mozongikhombisa isithombe.
Luyanda Zwane is the girl who was playing Sibongile in the Lamines, who was also featured on Ushaka Ilembe.
You crazy, smash.
Okay. Ayake.
Who bunny?
Ayake.
Okay. Who's that?
Ayake is the girl that sings Ayogoza.
Pass.
Do you know her?
No. I know her. Yamazi.
So why do you say you do not know her?
I know her. I kuthi nje ingoma zakhe angazi ngizizwe ingoma zakhe, but I know her, like in person I know her.
Would you smash or pass?
Hey. Hey, angazi.
You need to give us an answer.
Pass.
Why?
Ngamazi, like yabo sazwana na.
Okay. Ayalanka.
Ayalanga. Smash.
Okay. Spogazi.
Rich Spogazi.
Spoguhle. I mean.
Spoguhle. Who's that?
Spoguhle. That what's the, let me just search it for you now. Spoguhle.
Ngikholwa ke so what's clicked in.
Spoguhle. Oh my god, Spoguhle is so beautiful.
Smash.
Nalete happy with?
Pass.
Why?
Ngane.
Okay, Lerato Ngumalo.
Lerato Ngumalo. Who's that?
Lerato Ngumalo, that is one of the biggest influences. Let me just search it for you now. Here she is.
Pass.
Why?
Nah.
She's
beautiful, but pass. Pass. P-A-S-S. Pass.
Okay. Who would you like? Who would you like to work with this year? Big artist.
I'm already working with my brother Usimamane.
Oh, I saw that. Congratulations.
Yeah, I'm already working with him. I'm trying to. I also worked with Uzingumalo.
Okay.
What? Zingumalo.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you guys working? Are you working on something?
We've already have a track. You see, got to say Afro. So it's not finished yet, but we've made something. Who else? I wanna try and get piano artists like Liam Crazy.
Oh my God, I can't wait for this year.
And others, I don't know, but it depends. What's bang, but so my piano. The guys who are popping now. Maporisa lately is doing Grom. Like I saw he's coming back to a Grom.
Yeah, so I saw they have a training song, Balis,
yeah. So nah, he's part of my plan because now sengadlula ku-Cubs sengayenza na no-Cubs.
Oh yes, I saw that.
Yeah, so succeed in Pori, and for hip hop it's Usmamane, Tony. Maybe Blackie.
Oh yes, Blackie would be. Yeah, that would make sense.
Yeah, those are the guys that I'm planning.
Okay, what else? Closing. I wanted to ask you a question. Closing. Okay, fine. I'm gonna ask you off camera. Thank you so much for actually tuning in. You guys know, like, subscribe, follow, and actually go follow Journalist Maman if you are not following him, but I'm sure you guys are following. This is the Red Couch with MJ and also NQ Udlokov Untos Ustendra. I'm actually with Journalist Mamani. We had a very great initiative and a formative interview. Thank you so much. He is coming back. I'm on the Red Couch once he reaches 1 million followers on TikTok. Let's go. Thank you. That was...